Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala, I am welcome you all to my channel, and this video I am just going to discuss about our Google Sheet weekly positional strategy. And this week, so we have started very good. So last week market is entirely corrected, and this week is a slightly a range move. So we are finding out few opportunities from this week, and this is the opportunities where we find out from this week 7 to 11, and a lot of opportunities and some call sides having some good opportunity because slight recovery after the sharp correction. So this weekly strategy which we are going to find out the trade based on our advanced option strategy concept. So where we are going to use this for a mainly a directional strategy. Someone was asking, can we apply our hedging strategies here? So no, because this weekly strategy is last for 5 days maximum, and every weekend. So we will be going to change our weekly strike prices and based on the concept. So this week we are finding some good opportunities on DBs, Hodge Industries, IPCA, but we are not going to focus on all those stocks. So what is the logic which we are used on our Google Sheet is simply to find out 2 to 3 opportunity per a week. That's good enough, and based on the concept which we are going to apply on our strategy. So I was finding a DBs. Just let me go to whether it is a possible entry or not. 5450. So someone was asking how to take a trade. So if that stock is quite liquid, we should try. And the second one is it should be happening on Monday and Tuesday. So from 7th to 11th is an opportunity. The 7th is the starting of the week, and where should be our breakout point is 283. So let me mark 283 whether the stock which triggers our entry point or not, or whether it is giving you the chances for taking a trade or not, that we are going to just make understand 283. So don't try to catch that one, 283. So in this case, even though the stock is moved very well, but it could not be able to give the chances to buy our entry point. So our entry point or a breakout point is around 283. So as per the concept, but it was closed near about 200, and next day opening is 360 or 340 something. So our entry point is not triggered on those stock. So this is not a valid trade, it is an invalid trade. So we are not finding the trade, we are not going to take the trade higher to our entry point. So we have to wait for the bounce back, okay, or the return or support on the same level. But in case of the stock, it doesn't provide you any chances to enter into this particular stock. So that you understand, this is not a valid trade. And Page Industries 41,500, but we should look for a liquidity filter, and that is also very important. In this case of 41,500, 2,200 level. So this is also not triggered by the opening itself. It is 2,100, and this is happening by 9th October. After that, there is a gap up. So it is a liquidity issue. Simply we are ignoring. IPCA left 1,500. So let me check whether it is giving, and this is what a good opportunity. And 85 is our entry point, 85.8. So where exactly it's triggered? So it is triggers our entry point at 11 o'clock on 9th October. So our starting of the week is from 7 and 9th October. This is giving you the opportunity, and this would be the perfect trade for our weekly positioner. So we are not just taking out the trade based on the trade signals. It is simply based on the our advanced option strategy concept, where it is given the breakout around 11 o'clock. It is a valid breakout, and if you feel to put our stop loss, either you can apply for a future option strategy, but it is mainly for a naked kind of trades. And from around 85 it is closed 160, near about almost double the premium, where it is increased from our entry point. So this is a valid trade by using our weekly options or monthly. So we need to check all the trades are right. So in 7400 of trend, so whether it is valid or not. So what is the entry point is 516. So 516, that is also triggered on 8th October around 516, maybe here and there around 10 to 10:15. And that is a 15-minute chart. 500 exact point is 516.5. So this is a valid trade, and this is also triggered on 10:30, and that went to maximum towards 950. So this is a one more valid trade based on our concept, Glenmark 1680. So if the stock it moves above to the our entry point, so we are not going to focus that. So this is also be a valid trade. Around 90 is our entry point. So maybe this is what a 90 area around 9th October 10:15. After that it went up to 130. So that may be also nearing to our target, or by the closing 122. It is a weekly opportunity. We have to exit the position at Friday. So most probably we will try to find a newer opportunity Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. So if you are finding a Thursday and a Friday, that may be a intraday you should focus. Whatever the trade which you have tried, and you should wait for in this next 2 days up to maximum 5 days is holding. But if you are taking an opportunity on Friday, that should be intraday, because our sheet it will be updated every week and Monday to Friday like that. So and MCX 5850, Dixon 13750. So here based on the sheet, we are not trying to find out 10-15 stocks. It is a logic which we have to, how we can effectively find out based on the concept to try to take a 2 or 3 stocks. 977. You can look at this 977 that was happening on 8th October nearby 2 o'clock. So this is an opportunity, and today it went up to 1300 and something like that. And put side also we have some stocks. So according to that market condition also you can check whether the stock has triggered our entry point, and you should use it. Same like that we will be applying on our monthly concept. So this month in the first week itself you have a lot of opportunities, almost 20 plus stocks moves more than 60-70%. And now recently some of the stocks are started moving upside, are recovering from that. Maybe we find some opportunities on monthly basis. This is based on monthly positional concepts. We try to find 3 to 5 stocks only, but as of now put say almost 40% is around 15 stocks. So maybe if you are following the sheet from the day one, so this month is almost over, and what we are expecting 3 to 5 stocks that are already achieved, and we are achieving the target too. So that is about the sheet. An intraday which we are using for a daily Camarilla breakout, that you know well, and inside Camarilla it's showing you which you are going to find out on inside. So for an example, what is an inside Camarilla? Sale 130. So inside Camarilla is nothing about one of the pivot point, and someone was asking how to add a pivot point, something like that. Sale 130. Yeah, sale. We are finding an in option itself. So here it is an equity chart. So where it is not a inside, and it was an R4 breakout that moves well, that's right. But sale exactly 130 call option we are looking for, it's an inside. Inside means what I'm comparing. So previous day R3 level and S3 level, and comparing with today's S4 and R4, that should be completely inside between the level. So it is very tight and range. So we are expecting the breakout on this particular stock. So that is what the logic which I used to find out. So this I just finding out 1 day prior, and I was updating maximum before market open. So that is also 1 or 2 stocks we can find out. SBI and 800 call option. Let me check what is happening, whether it is breaks or not. In this case, it never breaks the R4 level, and it was trading inside between the R4. So 2 stocks which I finding out, one is giving you opportunity in put side, and SBI in put side also be there is a same. But let me check SBIN. That may be a good chances for breakout both the sides. This is also not broken the R4 level. By tomorrow, the next trading session, if any of those R4 level which breaks, because it looks like a range one, that's why it is inside between the S4 and R4. Maybe there is a chances for tomorrow that breakout also. So next day, not a good liquid one. Instead of, let's just check that. But we are not going to focus. It's a put side, whether it is an inside, and this is not a liquid one, but even though it is not broken the level. And Berger Paint 575 put option. This is the one more thing which I'm just looking for, and this you can look at this illiquid. So while you are placing a taking a trade in stock options, you need to very much careful about the liquidity and the volume of the options, so that you know very well, those who are understand the concepts. And this is what our Google sheet which helping you to find out the trade opportunity for 1 or 2 in a week, or 3 to 5 stocks in a month. So based on some concept without using a charts and indicator. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more about the strategy, just ping me on my WhatsApp number which shown on this video. Thank you. Thank you for watching.